Okay guys, today we're talking brushes in T-Sketch. And not the cute little pencil pack kind of brushes. I mean, the kind that make your biology notes look like they were edited by a caffeinated Marvel designer at 2 a.m. So here's the deal. T-Sketch has 3 types of brushes: raster, vector, animated. Most of the time I work with vector pens and pencils because they're super smooth and flexible, but instead of explaining all of this like a normal person, I decided to turn a biology lecture into an absolute visual chaos. We start innocent enough. I make a title using a neon animated brush. Not only does it glow, it blinks. Then I write a definition and think, this needs a frame. I draw a messy crooked rectangle with a vector pencil, hold the last point, click, rectangle, boom. Perfect, clean frame. But wait, we're not leaving it boring. So I open the animated brushes, the purple ones, you see, scroll to the end, pick the attached brush, and suddenly my notes look like they're loading a boss battle. Next step, mitochondria. I was going to draw it manually. Then I looked at the actual shape of mitochondria and immediately chose violence. So I grabbed an image from the internet instead. Honestly, it fit into the page suspiciously well. Next comes a pretty big chunk of a text, which I'm obviously putting on fast forward because we're trying to survive this biology lecture together. Sadly, even animated brushes cannot fully eliminate the educational process. Then comes my favorite part. I make more boring frames, select them one by one, type electric into the brush search, and this happens. At this point, we've completely lost control of the situation, so naturally the formula also gets animated with the plasma brush, because once your notes start glowing, there is no going back. More text, more rules, more animated chaos. Sad little emoji? Absolutely not. Give him a colorful frame immediately. Then I needed to separate text blocks, which obviously means animated rainbow dividers. Because education, but make it dramatic. We continue with dashed, fire, blood. Because why not? Right? At this point, my biology lecture looks less like science and more like a forbidden hacker spellbook. Tiny hearts, stars, a little noise texture, maximum extra energy. And honestly, look how good this turned out. So yeah, download T-Sketch, make your notes prettier, your lectures less painful, and your presentations impossible to ignore. Leave a like if your school notes never looked at this cool, and subscribe before I animate literally everything on this canvas. Thanks for watching.